Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website here called Juma Workers, all right? This is a micro gig website, and maybe you're looking for a way to make money on the internet, and you're wondering, is Juma Workers legit? How much do they really pay? Should you be spending your time on Juma Workers, or are there better ways for you to make money online, right? A lot of different ways these days. So let's take a look at Juma Workers and to see whether it's worth your time. Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to 5 to 10,000 US dollars a month, 100% from home, just go ahead and click the link below, and I'll send you that strategy for free straight to your email, and you can check that out if you would like. All right, now Juma Workers is a micro gig website. There are quite a few micro gig websites out there. Another really good one is called Micro Workers, for example. I actually use Micro Workers to hire people to do things for my particular business and run specific tasks. But if you want to make money using micro gig websites, you can potentially, but let's talk about that to see whether this is really worth your time. That's a big question, right? So first of all, if you were to log in and create an account, you can do this from anywhere in the world, all right? So this is a global website, and a lot of the jobs, if you just come straight into micro jobs, right? You'll see that there's roughly about 269 jobs available to me at the time of recording this video, okay? Now, a lot of them will pay you a few cents. They don't pay that much. That's kind of what a micro website is about. They will pay you usually between 3 cents and maybe 10 cents. Sometimes they're a little bit more, like this one here. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, 20 cents. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, 12 cents, right? So you can see that a lot of these, look at this, fan plus website test visit. They just want you to land on their website, so they're just going to pay you a teeny weeny bit of money for doing that particular test, right? This one is Ragnarok Origin, download onto your computer, create new Gmail account, things like that, register plus claims. Okay, so you have to understand that some of these jobs are against the terms of use for some of these websites, but again, a lot of people use micro workers to get around certain things, okay? And if you're okay with that, then you can get paid for doing little tasks like that, okay? They're generally very, very simple tasks. It's usually about, creating an email, subscribing to someone's list, visiting a website, maybe clicking on somebody's Twitter account and subscribing, clicking on somebody's YouTube account and becoming a subscriber, things like that, right? People want you to do certain very, very small tasks and you get paid for it, right? But please don't expect to make a lot of money from this, because you can see that a lot of the tasks are only being, you only pay 3 cents to maybe, 7 cents, 10 cents, sometimes a little bit more, but for the majority of it, it's very, very low. 5 cents, download a book, right? Okay. 14 cents, Facebook sign up, very, very small money, okay? Now they also have a different, job profile right here, where if you click on hiring jobs, they will actually hire you for slightly longer jobs, and they will pay you a little bit more. All right, but don't expect to make a lot of money from these jobs. Again, Juma Workers it's a little bit slow. I'm not sure why it's loading so slowly, but when you click on hiring jobs, basically what you'll see is different longer term jobs where they will pay you over a month period, right? And you can generally make a little bit more in terms of income. It's usually about $100, $150 for the month though, but you have to put in a lot of work every single day in order to earn that for the month, if that makes sense. So that's more of a full-time role, but they still pay very, very little money. So just understand that, okay? Now, if you decide to go down this path and you're working with Juma Workers and you're working a few different micro jobs, how do you actually get paid out? Now, they use a few different methods of payout. They pay out through Skrill. They pay out through Ethereum and Litecoin, so you can get some cryptocurrency as well. And they also pay through PayPal, which is nice, all right? Now, there is a threshold. The threshold is $6, okay? So for you to withdraw money, you have to do enough jobs in order for you to get to $6. And that might take a little bit of time, all right? Because every single one of these tasks will take you a few minutes to complete, about, I would say 3 to 5 minutes, depending on how simple it is, right? So you're going to have to do quite a lot of tasks in order for you to hit the $6 threshold, okay? And they also have a 7% fee. Just understand that, right? So they do take a fee. It's quite high. Most of the websites, the fees are usually 2 to 3%. So this is at least double the fee of a lot of other websites, and they don't pay you that much, right? So this is coming to the hiring job section. Again, it's a very slow website today, but you can see that there's a few different jobs that you can do. Proofreading, for example, translate text or speech, Excel data entry, for example, right? Vector tracing, data entry, things like that. And they pay you, you know, $3 per task, $10 per task. And this is what you can expect for the month. Okay, so it's not that much money, but you still do have to put in quite a little bit of work to do these things. But if you want to get more hiring jobs, okay, where you know, you'll be hired to submit work on a regular basis, then you might want to check out the hiring job section. Okay, if it doesn't take up too much of your time, then it's you know, something that's, you know, maybe worth taking a look at. All right. Now the big question is how much money can you make for actually, you know, working here? Okay, so let me just show you this. All right, I'm actually going to log out of here so that you can see some of the top workers of Juma. Right, if you click on best workers at the top, you're going to see that they actually do list people that have made a lot of money, right? And some of them, you can see people from all over the world, right? Mauritius, Mauritania, Morocco, Korea, Myanmar, Ireland, right? And some people have reached $2,000, but you don't know how long it's taken them to get there, right? But what you can see is you can see the amount of tasks that they've done. So Elizabeth here has earned $2,325, but she's done 88,578 tasks, okay? Now, when you divide $2,000 by 88,000, on average, she's being paid 2 cents per task, okay? Now, 88,000 tasks means that Elizabeth has probably been on the website for a long time, all right? You can't complete 88,000 tasks in a month. Okay, so she's not making $2,000 a month. This is probably over a period of 6 to 12 months. Okay, so she's doing a lot of tasks, right? She's spending a lot of time. So if you ask yourself the question, is it worth working on Juma Workers, you know, for hours and hours and hours to make, you know, roughly on average 2 to 3 cents per task? I would probably say, you know, there are better ways to make money online, right? Is this legit? Absolutely. This is a legit micro website, okay? And if you live in a part of the world where a couple of dollars, a day for working, 5 or 8 hours is life changing, then I would recommend checking out Juma Workers, because micro gig websites can be pretty cool if you live in a part of the world where you're not able to generate much income. And if you want to put 10 hours into something like this where you can earn a couple of dollars, then maybe it might be worth it for you, right? Because let's do the math. If you're averaging 3 cents per task, how many tasks do you need to do to make like $3 a day, right? So $3 divided by 0.03, you would have to do 100 tasks, and 100 tasks will take you quite a long time. Let's just say it takes an average of 5 minutes per task, right? Times 5, it's going to take you 500 minutes. Let's divide that by 60 minutes. So it's about 8 hours a day. So if you're working 8 hours a day, that's a full work day, then you can expect to make about $3 on Juma Workers. Okay? So it is okay if you live in a part of the world where $3 a day is life-changing, but for a lot of people watching this video, $3 a day probably isn't going to be life-changing for you. Okay? So what I would say is that Juma Workers is free. They do pay out, they're legit, right? And they pay out in many different forms, and there's a lot of jobs, but the question you need to ask yourself is, do you really want to spend 8 hours a day to make $2 to $3 a day? I think that there are better ways to make money online, especially if you're watching this video right now. You have a lot of options, okay? The internet is a very, very big place. I've been marketing online for over 14 years, and if you want to find out my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 from anywhere in the world every single month, okay? You can be based anywhere. I think that this is a much, much better way to use your time. If you have 2-3 hours a day extra, you'll be making way, way more than Juma Workers will ever be able to pay you out. All right. So if you want to check out that strategy for free, just go ahead and click the link below. I'll send you the 5 to 10K strategy straight to your email if you want to check that out. All right. Otherwise, I hope you enjoy this review of Juma Workers. All the best to you, and I hope to see you on another video review. Take care.